Hello everyone, this is a video for installing an MSD backplate on a GTX 1080 Ti or other graphics cards. This is what you get with the kit. Some nuts and screws and plastic rings for between the backplate and the graphics card, and a wrench for the nut to hold it in place. And I think you can see the problem already. When you have your graphics card and you put the backplate on, and you only have two hands, so it's very difficult to put the screws in and hold the backplate and also hold the plastic ring in place. Especially if you get one in, then it's impossible to put the other between the graphics card. So I have a solution for that. And also you don't have this problem if you have the original fans on the card, because then you can simply put the screws in. But as you can see, I have an nzxt water block, so because of that I now have this problem. But here's the solution: some glue that's very fast dry, and you put it on. Just 2 dots is enough. It's very strong glue, and 2 dots on the plastic ring. Careful you don't glue yourself onto the rings. Put the screwdriver in and put it over. Voila. See, you have some clearance. Push it on. Wait 10 seconds. And voila. The ring is on. And believe me, it's not coming off. It's very strong. And now it will be very easy to install it on the graphics card. Doesn't need to be tight. It's not for carrying an elephant. And then you do the rest of the holes. Alright guys, this is the final product. Looks very slick. Alright guys, thanks for watching. And don't forget to like. Bye.